Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the functions. Now what is a function? Function is an independent block which consists of a set of statements. Now that set of statements helps us to solve a particular task or finds a particular value which we need. Okay. Now one can define the function in two ways. One, where we are returning some value from and another where we are not returning any value. Now let's see the difference between these two functions. Okay. So here we have a function which is returning the value. Now we have the function where we are not returning any value. Okay. Now you are clearly see the difference. See, whenever we are using the return statement, then we are able to reuse the value and assign to any other variable. Okay. And we are able to use that particular value in any expression. But if we are not returning any value, then we are not able to assign that value to any variable, or we are not able to use that particular value in any expression. Okay. Now let's see the code. Now here we have a function which is not returning any value. But for your convenience, I have taken one variable and assigned the value which comes up from the function over there. But you can see there is an error. Okay. Because we are not able to assign the value of the function to any variable. Okay. Now let's see the output. See, the function is providing the value that is 36, but the variable is given you the none value. Okay, so we are not able to assign the value of the function to any variable. Now, secondly, if we have the function which is returning the value, right? Now, see. Now, if we are taking the output of this particular code, you can see we are able to assign the value of the function to any value. Okay. Now next. Now here is the function which is not returning any value. Now we are using that function in an expression to use that particular value returned by the function in an expression. See the output? There is an error because there is no data type defined for that particular value which is returning by the function. Okay, that is none type and int. So that we are not able to use that particular value in any expression. Okay. Now, in the same case, if we are using the function's value, which is returning the value, okay, which is using the return statement in an expression, see, we are able to use it. See the output. Now, we can use that particular value in an expression if we are using the return statement. So this is the basic difference between these two types, where one function is returning the value and where we are not returning any value. So I hope this difference is clear to all of you. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.